Dear student, today we will discuss about genetic code. So before we start with genetic code, let's discuss briefly the contribution of different scientists. Holly Hargobind Khorana, Marshall Nirenberg won Nobel Prize in 1968 for deciphering the genetic code. Nirenberg and Harrick Methai experimentally proved in vitro, that is, the existence of triplet code. Actually, they use the cell-free system to translate a polyuracil, that is UUUU, and discovered that polypeptide consists only of the phenylalanine. Okay, so this was the finding which was done by Nirenberg and Harrick. DNA carry the information of the body's function and character that is coded in 4 nucleotides of DNA. Genetic code is a triplet sequence of these nucleotides in mRNA, which is copied from DNA and carry the information for protein synthesis. Now you consider a sequence over here. This is the sequence on mRNA UUU, and if you see the triplet means the 3 codon sequence. So first 3 over here is the first codon, next 3 is the second codon, then third codon CUU, fourth codon CUG. So this mRNA, let's say short stretch, which consists of 4 codons. Okay, so the first property is that codons, they are triplets. So out of 4, any 3 bases codes for genetic code. Second is that they are non-overlapping. If suppose they are overlapping, then you can consider same UUU is first codon. Okay, the second one over here start with UUU will be the second if they are overlapping. Third will be again UUU and fourth will be UUG. So first, second, third, fourth. If they are overlapping, then this sequence will form, but second and third UUU do not exist. It means that they are non-overlapping. Degeneracy, they are degenerate means more than one codon code for same amino acid. For example, UUU, it codes for phenylalanine. UUG also codes for phenylalanine. Now, if you see this table, you will find that leucine, UUA, UUG, CUU, CUC, CUA, CUG, all codes for leucine. So there are more than one codon which codes for the same amino acids. Unambiguous, that is, they are not open to more than one interpretation. UUU will code for any other amino acid except for phenylalanine. So if there is UUU, it will only code for phenylalanine. There is no other interpretation for UUU. They are universal, means same codon codes for same amino acid in all the living organism, whether it is human being, bacteria, or you can say any animal or plant. The UUU is there which codes for phenylalanine only. Collinearity, the linear order of nucleotide in DNA determine the linear order of codon in mRNA, which in turn determine the linear order of amino acid in polypeptide chain. So you can consider over here, this is DNA sequence. The DNA sequence is converted into mRNA sequence linearly and mRNA to protein. Okay, so this is what is the genetic code. Now we'll talk about the initiation codon. AUG is initiation codon. So whenever the protein synthesis need to start, it will start from AUG always. Okay, we'll talk about it in translation. Termination codons, there are 3 termination codons. UAA, which is called ochre, UAG amber, UGA, which is opal, and whenever these 3 codons are recognized in mRNA chain, then there is no tRNA which will recognize these codon, and protein synthesis will stop there. So they make no sense. They are also known as nonsense codon. Now there are 20 fundamental amino acids, all of which are coded by different combination of 4 nucleotides, but in combination of 3 as codon. So you can see here different codon for 20 amino acid: isoleucine, methionine, valine, alanine, threonine, proline, arginine, tryptophan, serine, cysteine, and then there are stop codons, and then serine, arginine, lysine, aspartame, glycine, glutamate. Okay, so this is all about the genetic code. Thank you.